we're all packed up, ready to head back after a great weekend there at Fastest Streetcar by Havliks, and had a good weekend overall. Had a little issue with the small tire car spinning a yoke in a drive shaft, but other than that, actually things went pretty good. Went 609 with the truck. We were wanting to go 590s, but just not to be. Lost a couple cylinders on a couple of runs with some ignition issues, but all in all, good weekend. We won the Big Tire Drag and Drive Shootout.
F56 Chevrolet down there trying to hang with him. Joe Barry ain't going to see nothing but taillights at 6.099. How about that at over 231?
Out and test one more time before drag week, and hopefully have all our ducks in a row when it comes that time. So thanks again to Brian and Jess and everybody here from Havliks that put it on, Tucci, just everybody, all the competitors. It was pretty cool to see all the old cars, and for everybody that was here from all over the country and the world, pretty cool. So hopefully the ones that didn't show up will come next year, and we'll do it all over again.